Hello and welcome. Today my rust chemistry set just arrived, so I put everything on hold to give it a try. It comes with iron paint, which is really heavy, I'm guessing because it has iron in it, as well as a mystery blue liquid, which I'm guessing is hydrogen peroxide. As the paint is very thick, I just lobbed it on some of the model without spreading it around, and then spread it thinly on another area. This was mainly due to the fact that the instructions are vague at best, and I'm too lazy to Google it, as well as curious to see what happens if I just make it up as I go along. I was happy to find out water will clean the brush easily. When the paint had finally dried, it just looked like a grainy black paint. So with the first step of the instructions done, it was time to apply the mysterious blue liquid. Seeing as that was step 2, step 3 will be next. This is where my patience and luck of understanding come into play. Step 3 being wait a while, and that's why I close all the bottles now. My while is very short and nothing was happening. Thinking that I might have only picked up paint and not the iron powder inside it, I got paint from further down the pot and applied it on different surfaces. Without using a brush, because it may have still contained water, which may have diluted the blue liquid, I used it neat straight from the bottle. This was after the paint had dried again, obviously. This time, to my surprise though, I could actually see the product rusting in front of my eyes. This was only after 10 minutes, and after a full hour, the first paint job I did was actually starting to show signs of rusting. The cocktail stick did dry out very quickly, which got me thinking if I applied a second coat of the blue liquid, would the rusting get even better? This did look promising to start with. Now before I continue and show what happens when my patience runs out, or not understand what a while means, I just want to say this model was painted as an experiment. I used only the cheapest paints I could find on Amazon. I think everyone should give this a try at some point, as you have to work really hard for the paints to work, and it really makes you appreciate the miniature paints. But Citadel pots still suck. So, the results weren't what I wanted to see, and figured I knew better than AK with their blue liquid. Mixing salt, white vinegar and water together, I re-added it to the areas that weren't that rusty, to see if it would make a difference instead of using the blue liquid. After throwing in the towel and leaving it a night, I discovered rust had finally formed the following day, although some areas were very patchy. My saltwater vinegar solution didn't seem to harm the rust or improve it either, but it didn't leave a light spot like the blue liquid. The cocktail stick, however, only got a very light rusting all over. Some could say that I have absolutely no idea how to use this product, but as the 3 simple instructions seemed to be followed by me, it did have me wondering why it didn't look like this rusty anchor. So if anyone else out there has used this product and not been sponsored to actually use it, like some of the other YouTube videos out there, could you please tell me if you managed to get this to work, or what am I doing wrong? So I'd just like to say thanks for watching and have fun.